Hello, I'm Brian Anderson and I'm the founder and owner of ChineseHerbalSolutions.com. I'm also a licensed herbalist and acupuncturist. I've created this video as a guide to placing an order for a custom formula from our site, and also as a demonstration of how fast and easy it is to place an order on the site. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the site using a demonstration account. Once you're logged into your account, you can start adding herbs to a formula. There are several ways to search for herbs on our site, but we're going to go ahead and use the fastest and most obvious method, the search text box. I'm going to add the herbs for the formula Sichuan Dabutang to our cart. As you may recall, this formula has 10 ingredients. So I'm going to start with Renshen. Now we're at the search results page for Renshen, and I want to point out that there's a shortcut button here that, if clicked, will add 1 gram of Renshen to your cart. We're going to take a minute and navigate to the actual product page, however. And here I just want to point out that you can go to the product page and key in herb quantities as you go along. There are also a couple of other options here. One is the ability to order multiple formulas in one transaction, and you can order up to 5 formulas on our site in one transaction. There's another option here to request that a single herb or single KPC standard formula be packaged separately from the rest of your formula. Now I'm going to navigate back to the search results page because we're going to use the shortcut buttons to add all the herbs to our cart. While I'm adding the rest of the herbs to the formula, I thought I'd mention the other search methods that are available to you. The left sidebar on this page, and on every page, has links to herb categories as they are organized in Bensky's Materia Medica. You can browse the herbs by category. This might come in handy if you're still thinking about the formula as you're adding herbs to the cart. If you're thinking about substituting Dangshen for Renshen, for example, you can navigate to the Tonify Qi category page and look at the herbs side by side, maybe compare their costs. You might also want to double check to see if there's a more appropriate herb that you hadn't thought of for your formula. Another way to find herbs or standard formulas is to click on the product index link that's at the top of every page. This lists every product on the site in alphabetical order, and it can come in handy if you can't quite remember how to spell a pinyin herb name. The standard search function won't correct your spelling errors and will not return results if you misspell the word. Finally, because each product name contains pinyin, pharmaceutical, and common names, you can search for an herb using any of these names. Now that all the herbs are added to the cart, I'm going to go ahead and update all the quantities. When you've keyed in all the quantities for your herbs, you want to be sure to click the Update Quantities button to save your changes. And while we're here, I'm going to enter a coupon code for a 10% discount on your first order. The coupon code is WELCOME1. Now we can proceed to the checkout page. on the checkout page, you can take another look at your herbs and your quantities and verify that everything's correct. Thanks for watching.